So the next question which I'm often asked is, how do we use these switch words and how do we use these energy circles? It is very simple to use switch words and energy circles, and the more you use, the more benefits you get out of them. The simplest form is to take a water bottle and keep this energy circle beneath your water bottle. Now what it does is, it changes the vibration of this entire water and it makes it like a medicine for you. Like, for example, if I have a headache, I'll take this energy circle, 160 hertz is for headache, and I'll put it on this for a bare minimum of 20 seconds only, and have this water as much as I can have. Another way of using these are to keep them under your mattress so that they are in your energy field. So we have switch words and energy circles for health, we have for your jobs. There are ample switch words and energy circles which can be used for different remedies in your daily life. The third way you use these energy circles or the switch words or the energy codes written on these energy circles is, you can write them down on the left side of your body anywhere. You can write them on your arm, you can write them on your leg. For digestive issues, you can write them on your stomach. For weight loss, it can be written on your tummy. And you just have to use them and see how beautifully and miraculously you benefit out of them. Thank you.